Meaning of gelid.
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 Gelid. Gelid is an adjective that describes something extremely cold or icy. It is often used to describe weather conditions or environments that are frigid and unpleasantly cold. The word gelid can also be used metaphorically to describe a person or situation that is emotionally cold or distant. Overall, the term gelid conveys a sense of chilliness and harshness, whether it be in a literal or figurative sense. In summary, gelid depicts a state of extreme coldness or detachment, creating an atmosphere of discomfort and unfriendliness.